After the disassembly of the TP LCD is complete, open the fingerprint sensor ZIF connector cover. Use tweezers to remove the fingerprint sensor ZIF connector. Place the TP LCD assembly on the general heating platform. Heat the assembly for 3 minutes at 70 degrees Celsius. Use tweezers to push out the fingerprint sensor assembly from its back. Remove the fingerprint sensor from the TP LCD. Remove the residual adhesive from the decorative part. Attach one piece of adhesive to the decorative part of the fingerprint sensor with the adhesive side facing down. Remove the 2 layers of release paper from the adhesive. Take one fingerprint sensor assembly, fold the fingerprint sensor FPC, and pull the FPC through the installation hole. After the fingerprint sensor chip is installed, press the fingerprint sensor with your fingers. Press the fingerprint sensor for 3 times, with each time lasting 20 seconds. Insert the fingerprint sensor FPC head into the connector until the line on the head is hidden. Then close the FPC connector cover. Press the stiffener pad to ensure that the fingerprint sensor FPC is secured to the back of the TP LCD. The fingerprint sensor is now installed. Place the card tray into the device.